So I get a ton of questions about how much wood to add, and to me it is 100% to your taste and flavor. Now if you notice, I've got the same type of wood, but I've got 3 chunks the same size of this. So that's 1 chunk out of one brand and 3 smaller chunks out of another. So to me, now I don't like a ton of smoke flavor. So I would probably add maybe 2 of these for a good hour or 2 worth of smoke. Whereas others that like a ton of smoke flavor, they might add 1 or 2 of these for a 1 or 2 hour period. So how much smoke, how much wood to add for your taste, it is 100% up to you.